Welcome to Top Picks, your ultimate destination for the top picks of all things captivating and remarkable.
Pedal electric VM45 velomobile lets riders cruise at almost 30 mph. Although cargo ebikes are often referred to as replacements for cars, they usually can't match an automobile's urban cruising speed. Among other things, the VM45 four-wheeled velomobile comes very close, however, with a top electric assist speed of 45 km/h, 28 miles per hour.
Well, it's typically a recumbent tricycle, or in cases like this, a quadcycle covered in a full aerodynamic shell. That streamlined body makes the vehicle faster than an upright bicycle on the flats, at least, plus it provides a decent amount of cargo space along with protection from inclement weather.
VM45 is made by Czech mobility company Katanga, which builds the popular velomobile and produces parts for the Velove Armadillo four-wheeler. It has been in the works since January 2021.
Hope you liked the video. Subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.